Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Transit hood full guide. First, locate the interior hood release near the driver footwell and pull firmly. Next, walk to the front of the vehicle and feel beneath the grille for the secondary latch. Release the secondary latch and lift the hood slowly, supporting it with the prop rod if needed, and always wear gloves and eye protection for safety. To open the hood, stand at the driver door and pull the hood release lever toward you until it clicks. Move to the front and slide your fingers under the hood center to locate the safety latch, then push or lift it as required while raising the hood. Secure the hood with the prop rod by inserting it into the designated slot, then double-check it is stable before leaning over the engine bay to inspect components. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find it helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy, and they double as great, spill-proof organizers for screws, bolts, and small parts while you work under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a set if you like them. Now let's get back to the video. If the hood release doesn't operate smoothly, try applying a lubricant to the cable housing and operate the lever several times to work it in. For a stubborn secondary latch, ask a helper to hold the hood slightly while you manipulate the catch, preventing strain on the cable. When cables show corrosion or fraying, schedule a replacement to restore reliable operation, and always check alignment if the hood seems uneven when closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.